Hello guys, welcome back another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone camera black screen issue. So first of all I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have restart the camera app. If you are still seeing a black screen of your facing camera, then perhaps closing the camera app and then opening it again can help reset to fix the issue. Double tap on home button, so you have, while using the camera app on your iPhone, so you have double tap and then you have remove from here and then reopen on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. If restarting the camera app did not fix the black screen issue, restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait if your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have updated your iPhone. If none of above fixes have worked, try updating your iOS version to the latest one. So you have opened the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, must be installed on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have reset or setting your iPhone. If there are no update waiting for you, try resetting your iPhone instead. Open the setting, click on general again, so you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. Then last solution, you have turn off the voiceover features. Many iPhone users experience camera glitching while voiceover is unable, so put it down and try the camera app again. So you have open the setting, click on accessibility, click on voice over, so you have turned off from here. Voice over speak items on the screen, tap once to select an item, double tap to activate the selected item. Then you have, while voice over is turned off while he is facing this issues the camera of black screen on iPhone. Then if you have must be turned off from this option, so then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.